Would you buy this sixplex in Moncton, New Brunswick for $815,000? Let's see if this is a good deal. The purchase price is $815,000 with a 20% down payment, a 5% interest rate, loan term of 25 years. There are 6 units. Each unit costs about $135,000. A monthly mortgage rate of about $3,800. This building has 1 bachelor, 3 one-bedrooms, and 2 two-bedrooms. On average, you're going to be able to charge about $1,033 per unit in this building, meaning that the gross income for the entire property annually will be about $75,000. I've entered in our expenses, including property management, insurance, property taxes, repairs, and maintenance. It says here that all units are on separate heat and lights, so we would only be responsible for the common areas, water, and snow removal, bringing our total expenses to $32,000 a year. So here's our net operating income, our annual cash flow, and our operating expenses. So the cash on cash return here is bad. Your cap rate here is below average. Best case scenario, no vacancies, no repairs, you're looking at 9.13% gross annual return. So 273 West Lane is not, in fact, a great and solid building that will make a solid investment for years to come. What ruins this deal is the bachelor units and the 1 bedrooms and the price. Meh.